Career Development Support Program CDSP was rolled out last July 16, 2025 at Loic National High School to all school heads at the Department of Education. Lapu-Lapu City Division is a transformative initiative created to help students prepare for life beyond the classroom by guiding them through the process of career exploration and personal growth. This program aims to equip learners with the knowledge, confidence, and direction they need to make informed decisions about their academic and professional futures. By introducing students to various career options, industry expectations, and real-world challenges, CDSP allows them to discover their interests, assess their strengths, and develop a clearer understanding of the paths they can take after graduation. Throughout the event, participants were engaged in inspiring talks, interactive discussions, and practical sessions led by educators and professionals who shared their experiences and insights. The program also emphasized the importance of integrity, work ethics, adaptability, and continuous learning in building a successful career. With the support of the school community, CDSP promotes not only awareness, but also empowerment, encouraging each student to take charge of their future, recognize their potential, and strive toward goals that reflect their passion and purpose.
That our office is mandated to conduct career guidance and counseling, specifically targeting our grade 10 and grade 12. The PESO, or the Public Employment Service Office, is a non-fee charging multidimensional employment service facility or entity. This is being operated by the LGU of Lapu-Lapu City. Ang PESO na to karon is currently under the City Mayor's office. So we directly report to our City Mayor and of course collaborate directly with the Department of Labor and Employment. Kaya mo ni sila ang supervising national government agency namo. Mang-endorse mi og mga aplikante paingon sa mga companies directly. And there are several ways to on sa pag-facilitate mo sa employment, which is kanang mga job fair, mga special recruitment activities, unsa pa kanang manghatod mig mga biodata or resumes paingon sa mga companies. What else? Mag-job posting ni. So kanang among Facebook page nga PESO Lapu-Lapu City, which has currently 39K followers, every day kita post of mga latest job vacancies. More trainings, the more skills and competencies you acquire, the better yun. No, nakailaga mga TESDA, NC2s, etc. Mga other trainings and seminars. And I always emphasize this kay ang kaning mga companies manggod, they always look for employees with leadership potential, no? That's why if nanay mga leadership roles or and extracurricular activities ang usa ka new graduate, no, much better kay that means ang usa ka company dili siya mag-worry sa iyang kanang future leaders sa iyang company, mga managers. Then work experience, no, mas maayo dili lang na magsige og kanang labang-labang og mga different companies, no. So give it like 3 to 5 years, mo na matawag namo og solid nga experience before gid ka nga makabot nimo ang taas-taas nga posisyon.
Management, mao nang si Department of Labor, ang nag-manage sa maong program through capacity building on CDSP and public service offices, then development and dissemination of timely relevant labor market information. So kanang atong labor market information na atay quarterly, na atay annual. So ang among pagdian na i-cascade na namo sa mga PESO. So by the time ang mga schools na ano job placement offices, pwede na po mong mahatagan o mga updates. O niya, from this time on, pwede na yun na si Sir Kim maka-work closely na sa inyong hand, no? Of course, with the approval or blessing from the management. Promotion of Youth Employability and Employment Facilitation Program. So natin mga programa para sa youth. We have this special program for employment of students. We have programs such as Job Start program para sa not in education, not in employment, not in training ng mga bata. So in short, out of school youth na 18 to 24 years old, pwede na natong ma-enroll o maka-avail sa Job Start program. DLE is responsible for the overall management of the program. So next. Program implementation on a provide capacity building program to TESOs and QPOs, coordinate and cooperate on the support mechanism delivering the CDSP. So this time, naaman mo yung mga career guidance week. So pwede na natong i-invite si PESO o si Yoli kung wala pa na-establish na GPOs. Kay aron na usa sa team makahatag og inputs sa mga bata. Prepare and submit reports of the implementation of CDSP. So, mauna ng atong mga reports related to career guidance, pwede na to matagaan po si Sir Kim kung si Sir Kim po dapat mag-coordinate po sa maunga activity. So, by the way, si Sir Kim is awarded as one of the top performing PESOs sa Region 7. So, ako siyang pagpatay. O niya, mas number one siguro si Sir Kim kung matabangan nato siya sa career guidance nato. Maunay among hangyo na ang tanan na mga schools dili sa division or district atong mahatagan o career guidance or career development support program. Oni ang atong CDSP working group, mana maingon ko nga partner yun nato ang academic. We have the DOLI, DepEd, DOST, TESDA is under the umbrella of DOLI. Also the PRC, CHED Unifast, PESOMAP under sa DOLI, FC Ganpi, also appeal po ang DOLI no, sa mga group kanin sa FC Ganpi. So maoni ang working group. Maoni ang dapat mga personnel na magtinabangay para mas mahatag nato ang needs sa atong mga estudyante, sa atong mga job seekers, sa atong mga empleyado, formal or informal, o katong mga individual into livelihood or wage employment or self-employment.
This initiative marks a significant step in helping students transition from being mere learners to becoming future professionals, innovators, and leaders in their chosen fields. It is more than just a career talk, it is a movement that inspires a generation to dream big, work smart, and move forward with confidence and clarity. As the world continues to evolve, so must the aspiration of our youth. Programs like CDSP serve as vital bridges between education and opportunity, ensuring that every student, regardless of background, feels seen, heard, and prepared. With each session, the seeds of ambition are planted, nurtured by mentorship and motivation, and grown into the fruits of real potential. The success of this program is not just measured by attendance or applause, but by the lives it changes, the goals it sparks, and the futures it shapes. Special thanks to Department of Education Lapu-Lapu City Schools Division Superintendent Dr. Marilyn Ann Dales, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent Dr. Ronald Ferrer, and to Senior Labor and Employment Officer of Dooley 7 Tri-City Field Office Ms. Venner Linda Hamoy for the support.